kidney. Yeah, ooh, she wildin', she a bad bitch. Nothing that she do is average. In and out the latest fashion. Every move she pull is classic. Ooh, she wildin', she a bad bitch. Nothing that she do is average. In and out the latest fashion. Every move she pull is classic. All I complain and really be training. I cannot live with the sucker shit.
All and to all, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on all of my social media handles. So this week, since we are in October, I don't know why I said it like that. Anyways, since we are in October, I decided to do a Halloween look. I don't know why the pop art, the comic book thing was just like, do me. So I did it, and here we are. Hello. So yeah, I think it came out pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, then keep watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my foundation and my concealer. Instead of my regular eyebrow pomade, I'm gonna use the ColourPop eyeliner in black. I know that I look pretty crazy because I keep looking down and I'm like smiling and talking to myself, but I'm not. I'm on FaceTime and I am looking at Nikki Tutorials inspo for this pick art. Well, not looking at Nikki Tutorials for inspo. I'm looking at the look that Nikki Tutorials did of pop art for inspo. So yeah.
They want me broke or they want me dead. I'm in war with these demons up in my head. She plotting her way up into my bed. Uber a liver right after head. Yeah, they want me dead and they want me gone. On my way to the top, it won't take me long. She want me to say her name on a song. I'm a player, girl, don't get me wrong. I know you're not stupid. Heard that my vibe is exclusive. Yeah, girl, I came up from losing, but I'm on some new shit. I could talk out on some cool shit. If you down, we can do this. You already knew this.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my NYX Liquid Eyeliner and my ColourPop. I'm going to be bouncing back and forth depending on which suits the area of my face more. I'm going to be basically outlining my chin, my nose. I'm going to put it where I usually contour, and I'm going to do it around my nostrils. That way it'll just really stand out. I also went ahead and I added yellow eyeshadow. I was going to do red or blue, but I felt like that's like Superwoman, Wonder Woman type of thing. Damn, babe, relax. But and also, what goes better on brown skin, on this color skin, this beautiful colored skin, than yellow? Yellow just looks great. Yellow on melanin is just like peanut butter and jelly, pechuga empanizada, and potato bread. It just goes together. And I'm also going to be doing my eyeliner, but the way that I'm doing my eyeliner, I'm going to try to drag it out, and I'm also going to be doing this on the bottom so that way it can kind of mimic eyelashes.
Right after head. Yeah, they want me dead and they want me gone. On my way to the top, it won't take me long. She want me to say her name on a song. I'm a player, girl, don't get me wrong. I know you're not stupid. Heard that my vibe is exclusive. Yeah, girl, I came up from losing, but I'm on some new shit. I could talk out on some cool shit. If you down, we can do this. You already knew this. Yeah, you already knew this. Put me a shot and my vibe is on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Riding on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Pop in the shot is on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. I really don't need her, but I want her. She hold it down when I'm up under. She told me her favorite rapper gunner. So we on that dripper through the summer. Think I could trust her, she out to get me. Move suspicious when she be with me. Really don't need her just like a kidney. No. Yeah. Ooh, she wildin', she a bad bitch. Nothing that she do is average. In and out the latest fashion. Every move she pull is classic. Ooh, she wildin', she a bad bitch. Nothing that she do is average. In and out the latest fashion. Every move she pull is classic. All I complain and really be training. I cannot live with the sucker shit. So you want the fame and I want the paper. So I went and got another chick. Ran my money up, I doubled it. Fuck the feds and the government. Fuck the feds and the government. Don't get me wrong, feel like we've been here before. Soon as you walked through that door, the moment was yours. I love how you want it for sure. Digging your Gucci galore. Still you need more. I offer my heart, it was yours. Should've known that it came with a cost. You fuck with a boss. Nah, I really don't need her, but I want her. She hold it down when I'm up under. She told me her favorite rapper gunner. So we on that drip all through the summer. Think I could trust her, she out to get me. Moving suspicious when she be with me. Really don't need her, just like a kidney. Yeah, know she wildin', she a bad bitch. Nothing that she do is average. In and out the latest fashion. Every move she pull is classic. Know she wildin', she a bad bitch. Nothing that she do is average. In and out the latest fashion. Every move she pull is classic. Yeah, you already knew this. Vibe is on. We riding on. Riding on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Vibe in the shot is on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Riding on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Vibe in the shot is on. Hop in the shot and we riding on. Ran out of time, fuck if you made up your mind. One of a kind, girl, you can't see it, you blind. Promise I won't hit your line. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Looking dim, let me light your flame. I'm just
So I went ahead and I added fake teardrops. You know, summertime sadness, summertime shootout, whatever Fab said. To my fake eyelashes. I didn't want to walk to Dollar Tree to go get a face paint thing, so I'm using my Tartiest ProMix, and I'm going to use the shade Art Deco. Sorry about that. I forgot the name, so I had to go look for it. So I'm going to fill in my fake teardrops with that shade. It's like a nice shimmery light baby blue, so I didn't even need to have the white inside of the teardrop to make it look like I'm really crying, you know?
If it all that I got, I took my chance and made a shot. Turned a little too alive, but I'm just used to getting quiet, babe. Looks like we ran out of time. Fuck if you made it with mine. One of a kind, girl, you can't see it, you blind. Promise I won't hit your line. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Baby girl, know that love don't. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Shit you do is insane. Every girl that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Every girl that light your flame.
So I went ahead and I added white to basically like in between my actual waterline and the fake eyelashes waterline. And now I'm gonna take the ColourPop eyeliner, and I'm going to trace that around my face, just outline it.
Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Looking dim, let me light your flame. I'm just trying to maintain. Look, I'm not one for the games. That shit you pulled was lame, but I might never complain. It just won't be the same. She not looking for the love. She addicted to the drugs. She just ran out of love, so it's up and it's stuck. On this road all alone. Took me a shot to the dome. It's just me and my chrome, so I ain't never going home, no. Looks like we ran out of time. Fuck if you made up your mind. One of a kind, girl, you can't see it, you blind. Promise I won't hit your line. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Looking dim, let me light your.
Now I am just taking my NARS lipstick, or any lipstick in the shade of red, and I'm going to put dots all over my face. You could do this in white, you could do this in a light pink. I chose red. What I will say though is I think I made my dots a little bit too big. So if you guys can do them a little bit smaller, then I think it'll look like really, really nice. I'm also going to be taking a bright pink, baby pink lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm then going to be putting a white eyeshadow, like a shimmery eyeshadow from my Revolution eye palette, and I'm going to be putting it like in the top corners of my lips so that way it'll look like a light is beaming down on my face, you know, like the reflection thing.
Hey boss.
Baby girl, know that love don't change. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Look at them, let me light your flame. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Look at them, let me light your flame. I'm just trying to maintain. Look, I'm not one for the games. That shit you pulled was lame, but I might never complain. It just won't be the same. She not looking for the love. She addicted to the drug. She just ran out of love, so it's up and it's stuck. On this road all alone. Took me a shot to the dome. It's just me and my chrome, so I ain't never going home. No. Looks like we ran out of time. Fuck if you made up your mind. One of a kind, girl, you can't see it, you blind. Promise I won't hit your line. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane. Look at them, let me light your flame. I'm just trying to maintain. Look, I'm not one for the games. That shit you pulled was lame, but I might never complain. It just won't be the same. Know that my heart is pure. Wanna leave, be sure. No return like the store. All you need plus more. Gave it all that I got. I took my chance and made a shot. Turned a little too alive, but I'm just used to getting quiet, babe. Looks like we ran out of time. Fuck if you made up your mind. One of a kind, girl, you can't see it, you blind. Promise I won't hit your line. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Know that I'm fine, yeah, and I'm still on my grind. Baby girl, know that love don't. Baby girl, know that love don't change. The shit you do is insane. The shit you do is insane. Baby girl, know that love don't change. Shit you do is insane.
Alrighty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more Halloween inspired looks for October, go ahead and like down below. If you have anything specifically that you'd like to see me try to do, then comment that down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow all of my social media handles. And once again, thank you guys for watching.